Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you are here today. In this video, I am going to show you a very simple and completely free method to get a Wireguard VPN configuration from vpnbook and then set it up inside V2rayng VPN on your Android device. Wireguard is one of the most modern and fastest VPN protocols available right now. It uses state-of-the-art cryptography and gives you much faster speeds compared to older protocols like OpenVPN. And the best part is, you do not need to pay anything or even create an account. So let us get started right away. The first thing we need to do is get our Wireguard configuration file. To do this, open any browser on your device. I am using Chrome, and type vpnbook in the search bar, then press enter. From the search results, tap on the official vpnbook website to go to its homepage. Once you are on the vpnbook homepage, look for the free VPN section and tap on it. This will take you to the main VPN page where you will see all the available VPN protocol options that vpnbook supports. Now on this VPN page, scroll through the options and find Wireguard. Tap on it to go to the Wireguard configuration page. Now you are on the Wireguard page, and this is where we will generate our config. The process is divided into a few simple steps. First, you need to select your server. You will see servers available in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, and France. Each country has 2 server options. Just tap on whichever server location you prefer. Next, you need to select a port. There are 4 port options available, which are port 443, port 80, port 123, and port 25018. I recommend choosing port 443 because it is best for bypassing firewalls and works on most networks. However, if port 443 is blocked on your network, you can try port 80 or port 123 as alternatives. After selecting the server and port, you will see an important notice. It tells you that each configuration is valid for 7 days only, and it can be used on one device at a time. This means after 7 days, you will need to come back and generate a new one. Read the conditions carefully, and then check the box that says, I understand and accept these conditions to proceed. Now tap on the Generate Configuration button. Your unique Wireguard configuration will be generated within a few seconds. Once it is ready, you will see the full configuration text displayed on the screen, including your private key, address, DNS settings, and server endpoint details. Now tap on the Copy Config button to copy the entire Wireguard configuration to your clipboard. We will paste this into V2rayng in the next steps. Once copied, go back to your home screen. Now we need to install V2rayng VPN if you do not have it already. Open the Play Store and type V2rayng in the search bar, then press enter. From the search results, find the V2rayng app and tap on it. Then tap the Install button to download and install it on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch V2rayng. You will now be on the main home screen of the VPN app. On the home screen of V2rayng, look at the top right corner where you will see a plus icon. Tap on it to expand the menu and see all the available options for adding a server configuration. From this menu, you will see different protocol options like V2ray, Trojan, and several others. Since we have our Wireguard config copied to the clipboard, simply tap on the option that says Import Config from Clipboard. The app will automatically read the config from your clipboard and import the Wireguard server. Once the server is successfully imported, you can edit it if you want. To do that, tap on the pencil icon next to the configuration. Here, you can rename the configuration to something easy to remember, and you can also add a custom SNI if needed. When you are done making changes, tap Save to confirm. Now everything is set up. Just tap the Start button at the bottom of the screen to connect the VPN. The connection will be established within a few seconds. To confirm that everything is working correctly, tap on the Test button and check the logs to see your connection status and ping. One more useful tip before we wrap up. If you want to save this configuration for use later or share it with another device, tap on the Share button. You can save it to Clipboard or generate a QR code which you can scan from another device to import the same configuration instantly. And that is it. You now have a fully working WireGuard VPN running on V2rayng completely for free. No registration, no payment, just a fast and secure connection ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any future tutorials. See you in the next one.